Hello, everybody. I'm back at the Oldsons. Oh, geez. As you can tell, we're getting snow. Oh, geez. I'm coming back to get some more of that mix. May try some of that other new stuff. And I'll try to record as much as I can this time. Oh. Showing the snow on my shoes. Evie brought a new little animal with her from that her Mimi and Papa got her. Is my parents. Hopefully they can hear me over that freaking yeah. I don't know where their sale circulars are. Somebody told me I should show the sale circular when I come in here again, but I don't know. So not much difference from the other day, but I am a little more comfortable with you here for recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's a little nerve-wracking. Look weird talking to myself, you know, so I want to make sure yeah. Oh, Parm Crisps. Okay. This time, whatever we get, Mr. Adventure's paying for because I have no money.
She's broke.
I'm a broke lady. I'm a broke lady. Ooh, fried rice. Pork egg rolls. Sesame chicken. Asian fire. Up there. Yeah. Since I last made a video, we're all sick now. Evie apparently is getting better.
I wonder why.
Daddy and I, though, Mr. Adventure, and myself, are sick. It's just a common cold. Alright, it's on this side of the, $4.99 this whole rack. Not for the whole rack, but for items on it. Not the whole rack. Let's be clear about that. Hey, meow. She's telling him no. That's funny. I was telling that guy he was getting something out of the cooler. And she goes, hey, meow. She's silly. Show you some more prices, I guess, because, yeah. This is the Living Well, the gluten-free section, so. Y'all like seeing the prices up here, so I figure I'll show it. This is some more of the bulk section. Yeah. Love that. It's gonna be more than my mix, but pistachios $9.99. I don't know if I said this before, but up here where I live in northern Michigan, it's kind of a tourist town. In the summer, we get a lot of people up here. And things tend to be expensive because we're a tourist town. See, this is the one I was telling you about, love. It looks similar, but it's like, and I'm kind of scared of those. Mixed sweet and sour. I know, they have a bunch of mixes here. That one's the one I just mindlessly munch on.
Am I putting this one at me?
I'll maybe try this one. Indian summer, or yeah, you remember from the last time, but yeah.
Mommy's mix is over here.
Okay, Well, I think I'm gonna put you guys on pause for a minute and get the stuff. Hold on. Be right back. Alright, so this is what I'm getting. The Oriental rice mix that I normally get. And it's that much. Believe it or not, Mike used to spend more on Amazon for it. This is a little more than I got last time, but he used to pay more than that on Amazon, so. Evelyn and Mr. Adventure get some of those pistachios I showed on sale for $9.99 a pound. Which, it's alright. Get out of there, Evelyn. No. Jeez. 51795. You're welcome. Okay. It is very quiet in this grocery store today. It is like a blizzard out there, so that's probably why everybody, unlike us, are smart and staying home. Alright, this one, the in summer, I'm gonna try this. Evie and I are gonna try this one. Print. It actually prints labels, so. Okay. We're stocking up on some snacks, bulk snacks today. You're going in the cart because you won't listen. Well, consequences to your actions. Yep. Alright, one of the things I always do when I come here, like last time, look for clearance meats to see if there's any good deals. Show you guys some of our prices on meats. Oh, here's a reduced one for $2.22. 2 pork chops. 2 pork chops for $2.22. It's another one. See, they'll say reduced on them like that. And then, like, up here, they'll have the price. This is $2.98. I don't know how much meat we need or if we need meat. Okay. Got one here of these pinwheel steaks for 82 cents. Wow.
I was gonna grab it because I thought there was 2 in there. I'm like, oh wait, just one.
Yeah, there's only one. That's why it isn't sold. There's only one. There's not 2. Would have been gone if there was 2.
Yeah.
There's some more.
Yeah, for you and me.
Here's steak from Chuck. Chuck's steak. Chuck has steak. Anyway. There's another steak. $4.08. Prices up here are expensive on meats. You wouldn't believe how expensive they are up here on meats. So we shop cheap. We get see, like this was $32. It's down to $30. You know, they don't go too far on steak. Some store brand potato chips. 2 for $4. We should probably check out cheese sticks while we're here.
Yeah.
But yep. Try not to oh, these are an Oldson's special. Oldson's is where we are. It's their store special. $5.99. I heard that these are good. Did y'all ever have these? Let me know down below. I think I might have. But yeah. Oh no. Oh, we're fine. We're gonna buy it anyway. You don't do that, Evelyn. She hasn't had naps. She's got school tomorrow and she hasn't had a nap, so she's being a little bit of a butt. Oh, there's a buffalo head. Oldson's is known for their buffalo meat. And this is their, like, buffalo section here. It's pricey, but there's the big buffalo head.
I mean, it's good if you want to buy and try.
It's It's healthier than ground beef.
Yeah.
Here's little buffalo stuffed buffalo animals you can buy. But yeah. Evie, look. Do you see it? I think they have one at the other Oldsons hung up. It clearly is taxidermy. It doesn't freak you out though, does it? I was gonna say, he has a weird thing about taxidermy. He freaks out about it. Or he used to anyway. There's these are like buffalo patties. It actually says buffalo patties. It's $9.99 a pound.
I was trying to see if they had anything in soil home earlier too. It's all frozen, so.
Yeah, they keep it frozen because of, you know, the longer shelf life on it. I'm sorry, I was checking on Evie. There's buffalo steaks. There's some more buffalo steaks. These are big shanks.
I think we've tried the steaks, the burgers before.
Those are big shanks. So these are the steaks. Patties up there. Way down here is like steaks. Again, like a roast. I didn't know that there was a buffalo roast.
I don't know either.
Yeah. That thing is expensive here.
I'm sure it is.
$60.77. It is 5.5 pounds.
Wow, it's probably enough for like you and me, Evie, and your mom and dad.
Yeah. Here's some buffalo like sausages, brats, buffalo brats.
Yeah. Hot dogs.
Here's some buffalo franks, which are the buffalo hot dogs. I don't know. That makes me want to try them. I wonder how they would taste. There's some more. This is, they have basically a little bit of everything here in this area. There's calf liver, ew. Chicken livers, ew. We're in the liver section, gross. The Little Debbie section. Yeah. Okay, so last week when we were here, guys, I couldn't find the buffalo. Jeez. Got buffalo on the brain now. I couldn't find the string cheese. Oh. Look at Mr. Adventure. Find it right away. Is it by... Oop. There's a Sargento there that, Oh. Ooh, $1.99. This is delicious snack. Kobe Jack and Pepper Jack. It's Kobe Pepper Jack. You want some hot cheese? You kind of like hot. They're probably trying to get rid of them. Because everyone I see, February 24th, okay, so they're not out of date. 2 or what? They're only $2 a bag. That's really cheap. I mean, that's one you can't beat the price on. Now I'm really looking. I guess they don't sell string cheese here enough to really sell it. They look like I got rid of all of it.
Because I don't see like one of the other markup brands that was really cheap. I can't remember the name.
Well, like I told my adventure peoples last week when I was here, this is kind of between the hospital and my parents.
Yeah.
Like, it's definitely between us and my parents. But it's kind of like that.
Yeah,
it's kind of out in the country, but not really.
Rock.
Yeah. Here's the shelf-stable cheeses. $1.99 cheddar, $29. Okay, so this one is $1.99. That's pretty small. These ones are $4.99. They're twice as thick. hot pepper, sharp cheddar, and creamy. Yeah, you get the idea. See about the bins over here. Oh wow, $9.99 for that one. There's only this bin. I'm right here. You're okay. Fiber one. These are as marked. $1.99 for these. Jeez, did you grab that or did Daddy?
I grabbed that one.
Oh, smoked cheddar. Let's show the camera.
It's like $3.
Oh, this way, honey. See? You know, see. All right.
Like $4.
Ooh, $4. Here, I'm getting $2. Jeez. Yeah, but she wants to show you this. Anyway. Okay, put it down. Get down. Okay, so I figured out their bins are scattered. There's this one over here. It has cereal for like $2.99, but we don't need cereal. And he's right on the other side. You're with Mama. It's okay. $1.25. All right, and this is dinner.
It just sounds good.
He says it sounds good because it's cold out and whatever. It'll take a couple hours. Well, not a couple hours. About an hour and a half to cook in the oven. $15.99. Yikes! But you know, ironically, it's been sounding good to me too.
I would
The
make
lasagna.
I would make it.
Yeah.
I only want to do that.
So we're getting our snacks, and then we're getting this meat. Evie opened it on accident, so we had to buy it. The cheeses that we've been showing you, and the Stouffer's. I think that's all we're gonna get, huh? For the most part. Alright, so y'all, gonna leave you with a little few prices on things. But I think we're gonna call this a video, and y'all hit the thumbs up if you feel inclined. Thank you to everybody that has subscribed. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.